Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Isdone.dll error while installing games or for the cost or for the reason like missing DLL files. Now, if you encounter this kind of error, then do not worry. Let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type advanced system settings. You'll find that under the best match, view advanced system settings. Now here in the system properties window, or you can directly type sysdm.cpl. The same window will appear. Click on the advanced tab. Click on settings under the performance. Then here you have to click on the advanced tab again, and here you'll find virtual memory. Click on change. Now, if you check this box, automatically manage paging file size for all drives, simply uncheck this and click on the custom size. Now, for the initial size, type 100. For the maximum size, type 3000, 3 and then 3 zeros. Then you have to click on set, click on OK. And you have to restart your Windows for the changes to take effect. You have to click on OK. But before that, click on apply first. Now, I'm going to click on restart later because I'm still going to show you the next method. But in your case, you have to click on the restart now. In the Windows search bar, type %temp, percentage. Click on it under the best match. So these are all the temporary files and the junk files. Press one file and then click Ctrl+C on keyboard to select all. Hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items, and click on skip. Now, not all of this will be deleted because these are used by the programs on your Windows, and that is totally fine. Now, open the recycle bin and then delete everything from here. Then finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix the Isdone.dll error on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.